Hello, good morning, Miss Dita and friends. Thank you for give our time to presentation our project. First, let us briefly introduce ourselves. My name is Yudi Konapitupulu, and I'm here with my friends Yohanes Weisang and Ida Bagus Putupandu. Today we are going to talk about video games project, and our presentation is in three parts. First, I will take from slide 1 to 11 about problem and solution. Second, Johannes will start from slide 12 to 20 about product, and last Pandu will start from slide 21 to 29 about market and design. Table of content, yeah. Problem solution, product, market, and design model. Introduction. Game is an entertainment media which are very popular among both children and adults. Games are divided into two: traditional game and modern games. Traditional games mainly focus on the use of physical item, while modern games need a third helping device that use as a controller. As the game era evolves from time to time, there are many types of games genre, which such as RPG, puzzle, action, adventure, FPS, simulation, sport, dan etc. This is an example for traditional games, and this is example of modern games. Okay, as can be seen from the example of traditional games that require a lot of energy because they use more physics and always move place, while modern games only need a additional device such as controller, so they don't require a lot of energy and don't need to move around aka monotone. About our team, we are fourth semester students of informatic study program from Atmajaya University, and this is our team: Yohanes Wisang, Yudiriko Asmi, and Ida Bagus Putupandu. Okay, content 1, problem and solution. The problem is, from our opinion, during a pandemic time like our current situation, which is caused by the coronavirus, which made a lot of people unable to carry out their daily activity and productivity like in the past because of the pandemic, which make Indonesian people drop their endurance durability, obesity due to not exercising their body, and high level of laziness caused by constantly being at home without exercising. Okay, the solution is, so we had an idea to make a game that refers to sport and health. The reason why we created this game is to help people to increase productivity and their user body in order to avoid from various kind and disease, especially during this pandemic time, in order to increase the user immune system. About the game, the name of the game is Exercation. This is contains lots of challenge regarding sports in the form of a home workout. There are the three kinds of difficulties in this game, which is easy, normal, and hard. Where are the difficult will increase. If the difficult gets higher, you will also get more experience if you do harder challenge. Choose experience will be used for the requirement to level up, and every 5 levels you will get various benefit in real life, where this benefit can be different kind of random voucher. Okay, uh, next slide will be followed by Johannes. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Yana Besang. I'm here to present about table of content number 2, which is product. First is plot of the game mission. The plot of this game is to find experience which will be used to raise the level of the user. The higher the level of the user means that more experience are required to advance to the next level. Experience that we gain from the mission will stay the same for its difficulty, but the mission will be different. So for example, if the user choose an easy mission and it's push up, for example, and if the user complete the mission, the user will gain 100 experience. And if the user take another easy mission, the exercise will be different. So for example, like sit up, like that, or something like that. You can get a bonus experience from daily login or daily bonus. This daily bonus will increase your experience by 1% per day and can be stacked until 50% bonus experience from the cleared mission. So for example, if the user complete easy missions, the experience that will gain is 150. Next is character in the game. The character in our game are all self, or you can call it the user who use this game application. Using the help of a camera sensor, which is used to record all kind of challenge activities that the player achieve in order to make sure that they are doing their challenge to increase their level. Next is reward system. In our game, there is a reward system where the user can exchange for daily needs. For example, like food discount vouchers, shopping vouchers, pulse vouchers, and other kind of vouchers. Game feature. In our game, there is 4 kind of feature. First is level, daily bonus, daily challenge, and leader and benefit. First is level. Level is used as an indicator of to show how active the person is exercising, and by leveling every 5 levels will also give you a point that can be exchanged for rewards. Next is daily bonus. In this daily bonus feature, if the user logging continuously in a row without stopping, the user will gain an additional bonus XP when exercising to appreciate their hard work. And if the user stop logging in from the application, the additional experience bonus will reset and it will start from the beginning again, which is 1%. Where the maximum additional bonus experience is 50% of the experience you can get from exercising, where every day it will increase by 1% every logging in. Next is daily challenge. In this daily challenge, there are 3 kind of difficulties. 3 kind of difficulties such as easy, normal, and hard. As previously has been explained, the higher the difficulty of the challenge means that the experience that will gain will be increased. There are also some example of the challenge. If the user choose easy difficulties, the user need to push up 10 times, and if it normal difficulty, the user need to push up 25 times, and if it was hard difficulties, the user need to push up 30 times. But for the daily challenge, there are not only one kind of challenge, but there are plenty of daily challenge that can be played by the user to gain experience. Those challenges are also the same, only different kind of activities. Next is leader and benefit. On this feature, it will display the most active people in the game application, and it sort by level. There is also benefit for the user in the top 3. They will gain an extra little experience bonus, so they can level up more faster, a little faster. Last is game advantage. There is also an advantage of our game, which is we can be more productive and improve our immune system because we keep exercising to keep our body healthy, and we also get rewarded like voucher that can be used in real world. The strategy that must be prepared is how the players or the user manage the time, the available time to complete the challenge. That's all from me. The next slide presentation will be presented by my friend Ida Bagus Putu Pandu. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pandu, and I'm going to talk about the target market and the design of the game. Okay, so the target market for this game is for adolescent until adults. So the target market of our game is for adolescent and adults. So we took the target market adolescent to adults because the level of the laziness is very vulnerable to occur in that age range. So why don't we target children or the elders? In our opinion, it is very risky because the possibility of an accident to occur, and because of the physical abilities of the children that are still not ready to do workout, and the bodies of the elder that are getting weaker. And then the next one is how the target will react about the game. Okay, so with the advent of this game, maybe people who like sports and want to see how good they are among people who use this game application, or people who want to exercise but doesn't know what kind of sports they should do, they can play this game to increase their enthusiasm for sports. Some things that may happen during the exercise is injury, cramps, insomnia, back pain, fatigue, and muscle ache. So when opening this game applications, the user will be given different kind of information or caution while opening the application each time the user opens it. The information or caution, it is such as warming up before starting their exercise, or start from the easiest exercise to improve the basic skill first, and etc. And then the next one is the design of the game. So what we have here is the login form. So this one is the login form. So if you have an account on this game application, then you just click login, and then it will go to this page. Then you have to fill your email and then your password, and then you click login to then go to the next page which is the dashboard. But if you don't have an account, you can click register now, and then it will take you to this page. And then you have to fill your email, your password, and then re-enter your password. And then you click register, and then it will go to the login page, and then you have to fill your email once more and then your password one more. And then You click login and then you go to the dashboard. Okay, the next one is the dashboard and the activity page or the challenge page. And then we have this, which is Johannes' stats. It will show how much EXP he has earned, and then how much left does he need to go to the next level, and then it also show his level, and then his daily bonus, which will give 1% EXP from the exercise you do. And then the next page is the challenge, the activity page. As you can see, there is walking, treadmill, running, cycling, gym, and yoga. Okay. The next one is the profile and level page. So how do we access this profile? We can click here, profile, and then it will go to this page. And then how do we access this level? We either click this, or this, and then it will go to this. Okay, so in the profile, we can change your username, your email, and then your password. And click change, and it will change. And then the next one, the profile, it will show your progress. And then this, every 5 level you will get some rewards, such as this. Level 70 you will get a bunch of rewards, and then it will show again your level, and then your EXP and how much EXP does it need to go to the next level. And then the next one is the leaderboards and challenge difficulty level. We access this leaderboard just by clicking the leaderboard panel. So in this leaderboard, it is how do you get to the leaderboard? Leaderboard is based on your level. So as we can see, this Johannes is the biggest level in here, and then only the top 3 will gain XP bonus. This Johannes will gain 20% XP bonus, and then Bagus will get 15%, and Idwil will get 10%. Other than that, they won't get any XP bonus, but they will be shown in the leaderboard category. And then as for the challenge, on this one we use gym. There is 3 types of difficulties, such as this: easy, you have to do 10 push-up, and the time limit is 10 minutes, and the rewards is 20 XP. So how does the bonus XP works? So as for example, in here Johannes have 20% XP bonus. So when he cleared this easy challenge, he will get 20 XP and then 20% XP bonus from this amount. So in the end, he will get like 24 XP. And then it is the same as this one, and this one is also the same. Okay, so that's it from our presentation. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, and I'm sorry if there's some misspelling in our presentation. So thank you.